Hey guys, so today we are going to try to solve problem based on the Michaelis-Menten equation. Okay, so the problem is an enzyme isomerase. Now here we are talking about a hypothetical enzyme catalyzes a biochemical reaction. The rate constant at saturation is given to be 600 per second. Now at saturation means when all enzyme molecules are occupied with the substrate. Now ET is given to be 20 nanomolars, that is the enzyme, the total concentration of enzyme, and the substrate concentration is 40 micromolars. Now you know what is the substrate concentration, and the reaction velocity is 9.6 micromolars per second, that is R V naught. You have to calculate the Km. So if you see this equation, we have V naught, we have S, we have to calculate the Km. The problem is we do not have the Vmax. Now, let's try to solve that. Now, if you look at the steps, so enzyme and the substrate, they react to form enzyme substrate complex. The rate constants are K1, K minus 1 for the forward and the reverse reactions. The enzyme substrate reacts, again converts into enzyme product, right? And the enzyme product finally releases the product, and this is the K3. Now, this K3 is the constant that we call to be Kcat. Basically speaking, Kcat is used to describe the limiting rate of any enzyme catalyzed reaction at saturation. This is what is given to be 600, right, per second. Now we need to find a way to convert this Vmax in terms of Kcat. So since it's all at saturation, so the entire EP will be breaking down into E, right? So if you find the velocity, because this is when you are having the maximum velocity, all the enzymes are being used, right? That's when you have the maximum velocity. So Vmax can be written as K3, or in other words simply Kcat times ET, all enzyme molecules being involved. So you can substitute this Vmax in our equation by writing V naught equals Kcat ET substrate concentration upon Km, something that we need to find, and again the substrate concentration. Now let us use this equation to solve by filling in the values. So let's start doing that. So V naught, let's first fill up for that. That's 9.6 micro. Now let's convert everything into moles, or let's pull out the nano, micro, everything out of the the words, because we don't want to get confused, right? Kcat, that's 600 per second, that's okay. Now you have to write ET. ET is given as 20 nanomolars, so 20 times 10 to the power minus 9. And I'm not writing the units right now, just to prevent all that confusion, but you should write the units while you're solving. Substrate concentration, and again that is given to be 40 micromolars, so 40 in times 10 to the power minus 6. Again we have to find Km, so let's just leave Km at that. Plus again substrate concentration is asked to be 40 times 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, so that's our thing. Now let's rearrange to get the Km here. Now if you see here, I have played a little bit smart. So what I've done is now the 40 times 10 to the power minus 6 was gone there, and 10 to the power minus 6 upon 9 into 9.6 comes here. So let's cancel 10 to the power minus 6, that's gone. So 6 times 2, that's 12. 12 times 4, 48. 1 2 3 4, we have 4 tens, so that's here. Now 10 to the power minus 9, I've split into 10 to the power minus 3 and minus 6. Why have I done that? Because you can see we have to subtract this amount from this. So let's just play a little bit cool when it comes to maths, so that we have a better thing. Now that comes around Km equals 480. Remember, that is 48, and 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 3, that's 10, right? And divided by 9.6. So let me just write that 9.6 times 10 to the power minus 6 minus 40 into 10 to the power minus 6. So you just have to play a little bit smart with the maths here. It's very, very important. So let's take 10 to the power minus 6 out. That comes 50 minus 40 equals 10 micromolar. Pretty simple, right? So you have to just be in very clear how to use this equation, the two powerful equation, that is V naught equals V max substrate upon Km plus S, and using the KCAT. Now, based on the similar problem, similar setup, I have another question so that you can practice. So in a different experiment with the enzyme, the same enzyme isomerase, a team finds out the rate constant saturation to be again 6. So remember, what the 600 we are talking about is basically our KCAT. We have already calculated Km. So just to help you with this, so I have KCAT, I have Km. ET has changed. So 10 nanomolars. The reaction velocity V naught is available to you. What is the substrate concentration, right? So you have been asked the to find out the substrate concentration, and you have all the figures. So this is basic algebra, and I'll leave the answers down in the comments, but do try to solve this on your own.
Cannot find a topic you're struggling with? Tell us in the comments section and subscribe to make sure you're first to know when we cover it.